Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how this $59 kit by Becker Industries works. There were some customers calling requesting to show them how it works. Kitting, as I said, kit it's $59, includes the gold solution, plating anode, instruction with it. This kit has many options you can pick. You can purchase with 24K gold, 18K, 14K, or rose gold, or the black chrome or silver solution. The way it works, it's very simple. You just plug in the power supply to the power. We're gonna do it now. Okay, I'm gonna use, this is a 24 karat gold solution. It's same that includes with the kit. No, solution it's non-hazmat, doesn't contain any cyanide, but we always recommend that you use a disposable glove. So you may have an allergy to it. What you need to do, you're gonna connect your negative to the part that you're plating. I'm gonna plate this coin. Dip it inside of the solution for about 20 seconds. That's how long it will take to plate. You pull it out, you see if the gold bond everywhere, you're done. If not, you dip another 10 seconds. Now, you can also heat this solution for 30 seconds in a microwave. It will process the plating much faster. So when you dip your coin inside or whatever you plating, jewelry, you gotta be sure that your plating anode never touches the part itself. If it touches, it's like you're shorting out, you're connecting positive and negative together. So I'm just gonna dip it in. Now it starts bubbling. That means it's just applying the gold. Going to leave it maybe 20 seconds. You can pull it out anytime you want, check it out and just put it back in. Where it's already bonded. This is a 24 karat. I'm gonna do the same with the rose gold. As I said, you can do anything. Now, when you're using different solutions, let's say you bought this with the 24 karat gold, but you can buy the solution separately. If you bought a, let's say, rose gold solution or 18 karat or 14 karat or black chrome solution, be sure to clean up your parts. If you see tip of the anode, before you can put it in a solution so you won't contaminate it. If you see your tip of anode, it's dirty, you can even wipe it out, or you can use a scotch pad to just clean it up. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the rose gold solution. Now before I forget, gold will bond directly over nickel, silver, copper, brass. If you plate in, let's say, stainless steel, gold won't bond to it. If it bonds, it will rub off. So before plating on a stainless steel, you have to apply stainless steel activator and then gold plate. So now I'm going to use the rose gold. Same process. Yeah. I'm not sure how it's gonna look in the camera, this rose gold, but there it is. Well, any questions? Oh, well, every time you use it, just rinse it in a water, your anode, so it will be ready for your next plating. Dry it out. This gold solution, you can use it over and over until it stops plating, then you know that it's gone. There is also another kit. This kit is $59. There is another kit for $89 that comes with the adjustable power supply. What adjustable with power supply you will do is some of the solutions use different voltage. Let's say, for example, silver solution. If you're using silver solution, you need about around 2 volt, 3 volt to do it. This is fixed. This one has a fixed voltage for gold plating. Okay, you can use the 24, 18, 14 karat rose gold or black chrome. But if you want to use silver, you have to either buy the $89 kit that has adjustable voltage that you can adjust it, or you order a kit that says $59 kit that it says for silver plating. When you receive that, then it has a lower voltage. The power supply will have a lower voltage. Any questions? You can visit www.beckerindustries.com or give them a call and send a message. Thank you for watching.